Before buying SlickVPN, there are 12 things you need to know to see if it's the right choice for you, especially when compared to its competitors. Stick around till the end to see how it stacks up. First, let's talk about pricing. SlickVPN offers a variety of pricing plans, and while it's more affordable than some premium services like ExpressVPN, it's still not the cheapest out there. For the price, you get decent service, but it might not be the best fit if you're only looking for the lowest cost. Next thing, speed. SlickVPN promises good speeds, but in testing, it doesn't always compete with the top-tier VPNs like NordVPN. While browsing is generally smooth, streaming and gaming might be a bit slower depending on the server you connect to, so if you're a power user, keep that in mind. The third thing is the server network. SlickVPN has a smaller network of servers compared to giants like CyberGhost or Surfshark. You can find servers in key locations, but if you need global coverage for various countries, other VPNs might be more suited to your needs. Next thing is the encryption. SlickVPN uses military-grade AES-256 encryption, which is great for most users, offering a high level of security. But it's not unique. Most VPNs provide this standard, so it doesn't stand out in this area. The fifth thing is the no-logs policy. SlickVPN claims it has a strict no-logs policy, but some competitors, like ExpressVPN, are more transparent about their logging practices, including independent audits. It's always good to check if the no-logs policy is truly enforced with third-party verification. The sixth thing you need to know is about streaming. SlickVPN works with popular platforms like Netflix and BBC iPlayer, but it's not as reliable as other VPNs like Surfshark or NordVPN. Sometimes you might run into issues with unblocking content, so if streaming is a major priority for you, it might not always be the smoothest experience. Next is the ease of use. SlickVPN has a simple and clean interface. Setting it up is straightforward, even for beginners. While it's not as flashy as some competitors, it gets the job done without unnecessary complexity. The eighth thing is the connection protocols. SlickVPN offers OpenVPN and L2TP IPsec, which are secure but not as fast as newer protocols like WireGuard, which other VPNs like NordVPN offer. If you're looking for the latest in speed and security, that might be a downside. The ninth thing is its compatibility. SlickVPN works across a wide range of devices: Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. But, unlike some competitors, it doesn't support routers or smart TVs as easily. If you need that kind of flexibility, it's worth considering other options. The 10th thing is customer support. SlickVPN support is decent, with 24/7 live chat and email support. However, if you're used to the rapid response times of a service like ExpressVPN, you may find the wait times a little longer here. The 11th thing is the trial period. SlickVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is a solid safety net for users who aren't sure if the service is right for them. This is comparable to many competitors, but some other VPNs offer longer trial periods, so if you need more time to test, you might look elsewhere. Finally, the 12th thing you should know is its overall value. SlickVPN is a good option if you're looking for an affordable and secure VPN with decent features. It's a solid mid-tier choice, but it doesn't stand out as much as some premium options, especially in terms of speed, server variety, and streaming reliability. All things considered, SlickVPN is a good choice for the budget-conscious user who doesn't need the best in everything. But if you're looking for a better, more reliable option, check out our recommended VPN solution. You can even try it for free to see if it fits your needs.